This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix Steam Games slow download speed issue. Open your Steam and make sure to log into your account. Now click on Steam, click on Settings, and then you will get a pop-up window like this. Here click on Downloads, and here you will get this download region option. So you have to select your exact location or region from this list. And the second thing you can do, you have to disable limit download speed option. If it's enabled, you have to disable this option. And now the third thing you can do, you have to enable allow downloads during gameplay. So toggle this switch and scroll down. Also you can clear your download cache from here. And after quickly doing this, hope Steam Games slowdown speed error will be fixed. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.